What you are seeing now is a back anchor dry hanging stone curtain wall system. It securely anchors the stone to the metal frame using high-strength back anchors, achieving a safe, aesthetically pleasing, and durable facade. This system is commonly used in the modern architecture for exterior wall cladding. Before installation, prepare the stone panels, metal framing, hangers, back anchors, chemical anchors, as well as tools such as a laser level, hammer drill, and suction cups. Next is the installation of the system framework, the metal framing. The quality of the metal framing installation directly affects the flatness and the safety of the stone facade. First, lay out the lines on the base, positioning the vertical main framing and the horizontal secondary framing, according to the design drawings. The horizontal secondary framing supports the joints of the stone panels, connecting to the main framing through corner brackets, forming a robust and adjustable spatial framework. All welded joints are coated with silver paint to protect and finish the metal surface. Next, install the aluminum alloy hangers onto the horizontal secondary framing. At this point, the installation of the main framing, secondary framing, and the hanger is complete. Each stone panel has 4 holes drilled on the back, with precise control over the hole's depth and diameter. Stainless steel back anchors are inserted into the holes, using the expansion principle to ensure secure anchoring. Next, the hanger bolts are fixed to the ends of the back anchors and then connected to the secondary framing. This system allows fine adjustment in 3-dimensional directions, effectively eliminating stone dimension discrepancies and ensuring installation accuracy. The stone installation should start from the bottom and proceed upwards. Use suction cups or manual lifting to hang the stone into the hanger system. Adjust the flatness and the gaps of each stone to ensure they are perfectly aligned, both horizontally and vertically. Once the hangers are fixed, the installation of a stone panel is complete. Ensure the expansion joints are properly set, with a design gap of 5 mm for this project, and maintain uniform and consistent joint spacing between panels. Next, install the central aluminum groups. First, fix the base of the groups to the main framing, then snap on the top cover. Continue with the installation of the side stone panels. After the stone installation is complete, proceed with installing the side aluminum groups. Before installation, layout marking must be done to accurately locate the secondary framing. Openings should be made at the base of the aluminum groups to avoid interference with the framing. After installation, clean the stone surface to remove any residual stains and fingerprints. Use weather-resistant silicone sealant to fill the joints, matching the color of the stone. The sealant ensures waterproofing while maintaining an aesthetically pleasing appearance. In the end, a nearly seamless stone curtain wall with its natural texture emerged, showcasing the elegance of the structure and the meticulousness of the craftsmanship.